What's up everyone? It's been absolutely ages since I last sat in front of the camera and spoke to you all. I think it's been like 96 days since I last uploaded the video, something like that, which is just crazy. But I've been working on a project that was pretty intense since about July, something like that, which hasn't given me the time to make any videos or eat or sleep or anything. So as of this week, the project is complete. So to answer the question quite a few of you have asked over the last couple of weeks, are you still going to be making Squarespace tutorial videos? The answer is yes, absolutely 100%. But I want to vary the content on my channel as well to keep it fresh. So I get loads of emails and comments every week asking things like, how do you get clients as a freelance website developer, or what's your process for building a website on Squarespace, Show It or Webflow or whatever. You can get the occasional stupid one like, which is your favourite Peppa Pig character? It's Grampy Pig, that voice.
Hello everybody!
So the plan is to upload Squarespace tutorials every 7 to 10 days and then cover other topics relevant to website development, whether it be freelancing, Photoshop, Adobe XD, tech, business, whatever. They'll fall in between the Squarespace tutorials. Or a reaction video to Peppa Pig episodes. That could work. Nah, it's not happening. So as always, if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Give me a shout out on Twitter or send me an email. And if you're not already, please do subscribe to see stuff we just spoke about in the video. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. See ya.